welcome back to Sozo Sounds. I'm Tracy again, and I'm going to bring you part 2 of our teaching on using the nerve tuning fork for getting rid of headaches. So we're going to talk about some pressure points. You can look these up on Google. Some common pressure points are like right here in the bridge of the nose on both sides, and then right above the eyebrow in the middle. Those are some main pressure points. The other ones I use are just the temples and this little baby spot right up here called the fontanelle is what I use. Now for that spot I use crystal. You can also use, just so you know, crystal gem attachments that we sell. They fit that. But this is generally the only place I use it, this crystal on that. The rest I'm just using the fork, but you can use like a 6mm if you're wanting to use acupressure points. So I'm going to just show you this. If I activate this, and I have to carefully juggle this, and that's actually a glorious feeling. It's like a little scalp massage. I mean, it's kind of very calming. So you just do this, you know, let it ring out 20 seconds. You may not even feel it, but it's still vibrating. It's okay. 2 or 3 times at the most, because you don't want to overspike that nitric oxide. Okay, so sorry, getting my hair all messed up. So anyway, I'm gonna zoom in here, and I'm just gonna show you these other ones. Now I'm not gonna activate. I'm just gonna show you where it is. So you know, when we're getting these, we're getting right here on the bridge, and we're doing a kind of a medium pressure. Make sure you don't touch the tines while you're doing it, because it's going to deaden it. So basically I'd activate that fork, and let me see if I can put this at a better angle where I'm doing this and letting that ring out. Again, 20 seconds each time, 2 times, 3 times at the most, and then above the eyebrow in the middle. And then I would do, of course, the other side. So I'm doing this side. And then, which actually feels very good. And then right above that. Now the other spots that I often use is the temples. I mean, even if you didn't have a headache, it feels pretty good. So let me zoom out here a little bit. So again, that usually takes just a few minutes. If it's a severe headache, it's going to take more time. Now, I just want to mention that because of the nitric oxide, if you still need this after a full treatment, wait 6 minutes, because you want that whole puffing cycle to go through, and you don't want to nullify it by using it too much. So it's a really great tool for getting rid of headaches, on most headaches, and even migraines. I've been successful getting rid of many people's migraines because of it. Again, it doesn't work for everybody. It depends on what's going on physiologically with you, but I just did want to show you some little quick tools that you can do and to help you out. So we're all about healing here at Sozo Sounds, so I'm sure other therapists have other tricks up their sleeve, but I just want to get people started and going on this. So if you have any questions, please call us at Sozo Sound, or call us or email us at sozosounds@gmail.com. Any questions, any comments, anything you want to see. And I just want to thank you again for this time, and I hope this has blessed you. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.